Hey, I have a question for you. Have you ever noticed that you can have a shift or a breakthrough, but that doesn't necessarily mean your reality has significantly changed? The reason is because your subatomic particles have not yet stabilized. They are still in flux, and it can take time to truly shift into that next new frequency where all of your desires live. This is why I work with my subatomic shifters, my mastermind clients, in a 12-month energetic container to ensure your subatomic particles stabilize and lock in and integrate into your field so you can experience a permanent shift. The Subatomic Shift Mastermind completely recodes your entire personal energetic frequency. And over this 12-month journey, we go deep where I blend science and spirituality for you to have a shift at your core and manifest your deepest desires into physical 3D reality. So over the course of 12 months, you will blend with the frequency of money and receive upgrades. Create and upgrade your wealth mastery identity to match your impact, freedom, and financial goals. Dissolve false programming and upload new ones that are in alignment with your vision. Align your two minds and have your subconscious mind working for you on autopilot. Activate your infinite self and galactic team so you shift from manufactured growth to co-creating with the universe and having it flow through you. Dissolve emotional addictions and self-sabotaging programs. Permanently shift your dominant emotional frequency into high vibe so you manifest like a boss. Expand your energetic container so you can manifest more of your desires. Receive powerful tools and activations so you become a magnet to your soulmate clients. Just to name a few. Not to mention a heap of high vibe business strategy, marketing, sales, and lead generation trainings, and implementing some of the latest systems in place so you have leads flowing into your marketing machine from your soulmate clients that you love working with consistently. This strategy mixed with your next level personal energetic frequency, you become unstoppable. So if you're truly out to make big dreams happen and you are 100% committed to your vision, I felt inspired to open up my calendar with a few spots this week. So the next live event will be in November down here in Melbourne, where all the subatomic shifters get together and we go next level. So if this calls to you and you know you're ready for the deep transformation to physically change your reality, I'm super excited to chat with you. Click the link below, legend, and I'll chat to you then, rockstar.